Imagine this. You're a cosmic detective solving the biggest mystery in the universe. Your clues? The planets themselves. They seem like just big rocks or balls of gas. But what if they had personalities, secrets hidden under their surfaces? Prepare to dive into a cosmic whodunit, where the planets are the suspects, and their stories are more thrilling than any movie. Mercury, the restless messenger. The story begins with Mercury, small, swift, and forever caught in the sun's scorching gaze. If Mercury were a person, they would be the ultimate workaholic who never stops moving. At only 4,879 kilometers in diameter, Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system. Yet it races around the sun at a blistering 47.4 kilometers per second, faster than any other planet. Its day-night cycle brings extreme temperature swings from 430 Celsius to minus 180 Celsius. Mercury would be the personality who thrives under pressure but suffers from dramatic mood swings. Think of Mercury as the Steve Jobs of planets. Brilliant, intense, demanding perfection, and operating at a pace few could match. Just as Jobs revolutionized technology with relentless drive, Mercury completes its orbit in just 88 Earth days, never slowing, never resting. Mercury's personality embodies duality, a planet of extremes that, despite its small stature, maintains a global magnetic field. Like a chess grandmaster, Mercury calculates every move with precision while hiding behind a cratered facade. This planet doesn't need size to command respect. Its strategic position and sharp intellect more than compensate for what it lacks in physical presence. Venus, the beautiful deceiver. As we move outward, we encounter Venus, a world shrouded in mystery and contradiction. Don't be fooled by her ethereal beauty. Venus may appear as the brightest object in our night sky, but beneath her enchanting exterior lies a personality of extreme intensity and danger. With surface temperatures reaching a scorching 464 Celsius and atmospheric pressure 92 times that of Earth, Venus is the embodiment of the femme fatale. She's Marilyn Monroe with a deadly twist, outwardly captivating but concealing tremendous power and heat beneath the surface. Venus spins in the opposite direction of most planets, taking 2,802 hours to complete a single day. A rebel who refuses to follow the cosmic status quo. Venus would be the charismatic political figure who appears warm and inviting, but rules with an iron fist. Like Catherine the Great, Venus presents a cultured, sophisticated veneer while hiding a ruthlessly efficient core. Her thick carbon dioxide atmosphere creates the most powerful greenhouse effect in the solar system, trapping heat with the same effectiveness that a manipulative personality traps admirers, drawing them in only to consume them in her unbearable embrace. Earth, the nurturing protagonist. In the cosmic thriller of our solar system, Earth emerges as the protagonist we root for, the balanced hero who creates and sustains life. At precisely the right distance from the sun, with the perfect combination of atmospheric gases, liquid water, and temperature range, Earth embodies the personality that has found its center. Earth would be the Michelle Obama or David Attenborough of planets, nurturing, insightful, and committed to fostering growth. With a diverse surface of oceans, mountains, deserts, and forests, Earth displays emotional range and adaptability. Its 23.4-degree axial tilt creates the seasons, giving Earth a rhythm and patience that shapes everything that lives upon it. Unlike its neighbors, Earth maintains a delicate balance, not too hot, not too cold, the cosmic embodiment of emotional intelligence. Its magnetic field shields life from solar radiation like a protective parent, while its single moon stabilizes its rotation, preventing chaotic climate shifts. Earth is the mediator of the solar system, offering wisdom and perspective in a universe of extremes. Mars, the fallen warrior Mars, a rust-colored world of ancient river valleys and massive extinct volcanoes, carries the personality of a once great warrior now contemplating past glories. If Mars were human, it would be the veteran soldier who sits alone at the bar, sharing tales of former greatness while planning an unlikely comeback. With a diameter just over half of Earth's and a thin atmosphere that offers little protection, Mars has the personality of Buzz Aldrin, a pioneer who reached incredible heights but was forced to watch as time and circumstance diminished his realm. Once flowing with rivers and possibly even oceans, Mars now exists as a dust-swept memorial to what might have been. Yet beneath its stoic exterior lies potential. The red planet, with its 24.7-hour day so similar to Earth's, hints at possibilities for future human exploration. Jupiter, the protective patriarch. As we journey into the outer solar system, we encounter Jupiter, massive, commanding, and undeniable in its gravitational influence. Jupiter is the embodiment of protection and power, a planet whose personality would dominate any room it entered. With a mass 318 times that of Earth and a diameter of over 1,4,200 kilometers, Jupiter is the uncontested heavyweight of our planetary family. Its personality mirrors leaders like Winston Churchill, imposing, strategically positioned, and willing to absorb impacts to protect others. Jupiter's massive gravitational field has shielded the inner planets from countless potential asteroid impacts throughout solar system history. Jupiter's Great Red Spot, a storm that has raged for centuries, reveals a personality of enduring passion and intensity. With 95 known moons orbiting around it, Jupiter is the center of its own miniature solar system. Like a charismatic CEO surrounded by advisors, Jupiter influences everything in its domain while remaining stable at its core. Its rapid 9.9-hour rotation generates powerful magnetic fields and creates dynamic, colorful cloud bands that display both order and chaos, the mark of a complex, multifaceted personality that knows both how to lead and how to inspire. Saturn, the elegant philosopher. No planetary personality captivates quite like Saturn, a world defined by its magnificent rings and philosophical depth. If Saturn were human, it would be the elegant aesthete with unexpected substance, the Oscar Wilde of celestial bodies. Despite its massive size as the second-largest planet in our system, Saturn has the lowest density of all the planets, so low it would float if placed in water. This contradiction defines Saturn's personality. Substantial yet light, serious yet playful. Its distinctive rings span 282,000 kilometers, but are only about 10 meters thick, a reminder that the most beautiful aspects of a personality can also be the most delicate. Saturn takes its time, orbiting the Sun once every 29.5 Earth years, contemplating the universe like a cosmic philosopher. Its personality resembles Carl Sagan, thoughtful, perspective-altering, and capable of helping others see beauty in the grandest scales. With 274 moons, including the intriguing Titan with its own atmosphere, Saturn surrounds itself with interesting companions and complex relationships. Like a master artist, Saturn crafts beauty from the simplest elements, ice, rock, and dust, arranged into perfect rings that have mesmerized humanity since we first glimpsed them through telescopes. Uranus, the eccentric innovator. Then there's Uranus, the planet that literally turned conventional wisdom on its head. With an axial tilt of 97.8 degrees, Uranus rotates on its side, a cosmic anomaly that defies expectation. This is the personality of the true innovator, the Salvador Dali, or Nikola Tesla of planets. Brilliantly unconventional and comfortable, breaking every rule. Uranus's pale blue-green color comes from methane in its atmosphere, giving it a mysterious, ethereal quality. Its personality would be detached, cerebral, and utterly unconcerned with fitting in. With a negative rotation period of 17.2 hours, Uranus spins in the opposite direction of most planets, a counterculture icon challenging the status quo. Despite its quirky nature, Uranus is methodical, taking 84 Earth years to complete a single orbit around the Sun. Neptune, the mystic dreamer. In the distant reaches of our solar system dwells Neptune, a world of storms, mysteries, and vibrant blue hues. If Neptune were human, it would possess the soul of a poet or composer, creating beauty from chaos and finding patterns in the seemingly random. Neptune is home to the fastest winds in the solar system, reaching speeds of over 2,000 kilometers per hour. Its personality mirrors Ludwig van Beethoven, capable of creating perfect harmony amidst tremendous internal turmoil. The planet's vivid blue color comes from methane absorbing red light, a reminder that sometimes what we don't express defines us as much as what we do. Neptune's discovery in 1846 wasn't through direct observation, but through mathematical calculations of gravitational perturbations, the mark of a personality whose influence is felt before it's seen. Like Jane Austen, Neptune observes from a distance, understanding the subtle forces that move others while remaining enigmatic itself. Pluto, the resilient outsider. Our cosmic thriller concludes with Pluto, small, distant, and defying classification. Once considered the ninth planet, now categorized as a dwarf planet, Pluto's personality would be defined by resilience and refusal to be limited by others' definitions. Pluto exists in a realm most would find impossibly hostile. Yet it persists, circling the Sun in a highly eccentric orbit that takes 90,860 days to complete. Pluto would be the Ruth Bader Ginsburg of the solar system, undersized but formidable, existing on the periphery but making an outsized impact. Pluto's discovery in 1930 and subsequent reclassification in 2006 mirrors the journey of many revolutionary thinkers, first celebrated, then challenged, but ultimately claiming a unique and important place in the greater story.